there, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking for an awesome new charger, you've got to check out this Anker Prime USB-C charger. So what I love about this is that it can charge multiple devices at one time. So you have two USB-C and one USB-A ports. My husband works on his laptop. He's usually charging all day long, and I love that I can come in and plug in as well and charge any of my own devices. We can work in the same space. It's fantastic. That has been a really, really nice feature for us. I also love the size and design of this little device. So it's small, it's definitely handheld, compact, and it's collapsible. So if you're using it for travel or need to take it with you, it's really easy to do so. So we're really happy with this in our family, and I hope you're gonna love it as well. And that's my point of view.